Hi friends, this video is made for all fans of Lutpu Paipe and subscriber of my channel. Today I'm going to present you a new song based on coronavirus, and this song is in Thadukuki, and the song says there is more dangerous virus than a coronavirus, which is um, a, a virus from Eden, and that can be cured with a vaccine named Jesus. Gola paite ho quarantine in akipo thei poin studio long gilu thei ta poin ya chu chila hi lutpu pipe fan so le sub ke ma channel subscriber ho zu setting a video you can see me coronavirus chung changa ka le sim anangai khomote coronavirus so vanoi na hotling mitilung gila kichat na adin tak sahin na ding holin kaboy gam tave hagaw hinading le tak sadam the na ding kay man kahenay lamdang umlo Gisu ahi Gisu na say kichahin kay man ka umpi zing na yadim coronavirus sanga kichan penchu eden hona virus chuahi ipinat na ipiboy na hong rung zong le eden virus nay lo te din lungkit chat na ding a umpon Gisu na say kichahin kay man ka umpi zing na yadim coronavirus sanga kichanum penchu eden hona virus chuahi